How is everyone doing today? Welcome back to another video. And today what I have for everyone is my unboxing and first impressions of the first generation LavaBeans truly wireless Bluetooth earbuds. I don't know if y'all know, but the second generation of LavaBeans just came out like a couple of months ago as of the recording of this video anyway, and I was able to get a really great deal on the first generation, which aside from having a little bit less battery life is just as good as the second generation. And these don't have wireless charging with the charging case. The second generation does incorporate wireless charging with the charging case. So you can see right there, if I drop it on, it's not going to wirelessly charge. There's a LED here that turns blue when it wirelessly charges. And you can see if I drop it on, it doesn't wirelessly charge. And you can see if I switch to this one over here, no wireless charging over here. So that's the main improvements of the first generation over the second generation, or the second generation over the first generation. My mistake is that the second generation, they incorporated wireless charging into the charging case, and they added 2 additional microphones. So the first generation just has 2 microphones, okay, 1 on each earbud. The second generation has 4 microphones, 2 on each earbud. So those are the main differences between the first and the second gens. And technically, it was very, very similar. And again, I was able to get a great deal on these. So I figured, why not pick these up? Okay. So y'all already saw the pricing that I was able to pick these up for at the beginning of the video. Y'all already saw a pseudo unboxing, a pseudo features walkthrough. Okay. Now let's get into our first impressions with the first generation LavaBeans. Okay. Now starting off here, I have to say I'm a big fan of this style of case because it has my #1 favorite feature in it. It supports a percentage readout LED display. So I'm a big fan of that. Okay, so all the guesswork goes down to almost 0 just by having that. Also, y'all can see we do have USB Type-C built in. Okay, so say it with me, y'all. 1 cable to rule them all. USB Type-C, all the things. Very happy to see that. And then if we look here, we hit the first negative of the buds here. They do have very slippery build materials, in my opinion. So we got this glossy outer shell, and then we have this kind of ceramic inner shell coating, which is basically 2 different textures of plastic. And then I'm not a fan of that. And then we have touch controls with no clicky buttons. So I'm not a fan of that either. Okay, so 2 negatives, 2 big negatives right off the back. 3 if you want to incorporate the fact that they don't have wireless charging, but it is what it is. We're still going to test them out. I'm still going to put them through the paces and give y'all my opinions. All right, so now let me drop them in. Let me give you my first impressions of the overall fit and feel, and then we'll wrap the video up. Okay, so this is the right earbud. I do believe it goes in the ear like that. So it goes in the ear like this. So let me drop this in. Okay, oh yeah, that went right in. And then here is the left earbud, and I do believe it goes in the ear the same way, like that. So let me drop this in. Okay, and let me give y'all my overall first impressions. So with them in, the built-in noise cancellation is just okay. I can still comfortably hear myself talk. It is a comfortable fit. So let me do a quick shake test. All right, really, really good overall fit. They're not moving around at all, not at all. So the fit on these, at least when we talk about first impressions, is top notch. And I gotta say, they got a nice, comfortable feel and a really nice weight to them. So really good stuff when we talk about the overall fit. And at least first impressions of the feel, they seem to be top notch. Now, let's take some pictures of the profiles and we'll wrap the video up. So iPhone XS on deck here today. Let's go. And let's take a front profile. Okay. And let's take a side profile. So front profile. Side profile number 1. And side profile number 2. Alright, and then let me see. Alright, so not bad at all. Very discreet with these. Very discreet. And they poke out ever so slightly. So let me show y'all real quick. So here is the front profile. And y'all can see they do poke out ever so slightly. Okay. It is noticeable. But the fit on these is very, very solid. Very solid. Okay. So that's the front profile. Here's the first side. And again, you can see really nice solid fit right into my ear canal. And these don't go anywhere when I move my head around. So really good stuff there. Really good stuff indeed. Okay. And these seem like they should be the perfect fit for the gym. And the fact that they incorporate IPX8 waterproofing and water resistance, which means you shouldn't have any issues with these when we talk about taking them to the gym. So here's the other side. And then here's the last side. Okay. Again, y'all can see really solid fit here. Really solid. Okay. All right. Let me take them out now and let's wrap the video up. Okay. And they come right out. So really nice, top-notch, solid fit. Really nice, top-notch feel. And they're very easy to take in and out with a very nice light weight. So good stuff there. Good stuff there indeed. So that pretty much brings an end to the video here today, guys and gals. Once again, this has been my unboxing and first impressions of the first generation LavaBeans. Okay? Truly wireless Bluetooth earbuds. Now we're going to take our time and put these through their paces, and I'm going to come out with all the extended coverage. So the microphone test, the fit and sound demo, and the full review. Okay? So hopefully by the time we get to the full review, and I let you guys and gals know my overall opinions, y'all will know whether or not if these earbuds are worth picking up. But that does it for this video here today. I hope you guys and gals enjoyed the video. I hope you guys and gals found it helpful. If you did, please help your boy out by giving the video a thumbs up. That really does help me out. You don't know how much. If you guys and gals would like to see more content like this, please feel free to hit that subscribe button down below and make sure you click off the notification bell icon right next to it so you guys and gals get notified when I publish new videos. Or you can feel free to follow me across all the social media platforms. I'll link it up down below. This way you're guaranteed to get notified when new videos go live on the channels. So all my social media links will be linked up down below in the video description as well, along with the affiliated buy links for these earbuds. So if these earbuds did pique your interest and you would like to know where you can pick them up at some really great prices, all the affiliated buy links for these will be linked up down below in the video description. And as the title says, that is affiliated buy links. So that means that I do get a small percentage of kickback when you guys and gals use those links that I do put back into the channel, but that's at no additional cost to you guys and gals. So it's a win-win for everyone in my opinion. Okay? Anyways, that does it for this one. I feel like I said that so many times already. This whole video here today has been recorded with the rear-facing primary camera on the Samsung Galaxy S8 Active with no external microphone hooked up. So please let me know what you think of the overall video quality, as well as what you think of the overall audio quality down below in the comments. As always, all your feedback is greatly appreciated. Just remember to keep it respectful, please. I hope everyone is having a great day out there. I hope everyone is staying safe out there, and I will catch everyone in the next one. We are out of here. Have a good one, everybody. Peace.